Irritable bowel syndrome or IBS causes and symptoms. Irritable bowel syndrome or IBS is a long-term gastrointestinal disorder that can cause persistent discomfort. However, most people will not experience severe complications. People also refer IBS as spastic colitis, mucus colitis, and nervous colon. It is a chronic condition. However, its symptoms tend to change over the years. Symptoms often improve as individuals learn to manage the condition. Symptoms. The most common symptoms of IBS include changes in bowel habits, abdominal pain and cramping, which often reduce after passing a stool, a feeling that the bowels are not empty after passing stools, passing excess gas, the passing of mucus from the rectum, a sudden urgent need to use the bathroom, swelling or bloating of the abdomen. Symptoms often get worse after meals. A flare-up may last for several days, and then symptoms either improve or resolve completely. Signs and symptoms vary between individuals. They often resemble symptoms of other diseases and conditions and can also affect different parts of the body. This may include frequent urination, halitosis or bad breath, headache, joint or muscle pain, persistent fatigue. In females, painful sex or dyspareunia, irregular menses. Anxiety and depression may also occur, often due to the discomfort and embarrassment that may accompany the condition. Causes. It is unclear what causes IBS. However, it is not contagious and does not have links to cancer. Factors that may play a role in IBS development include diet, environmental factors such as stress, genetic factors, hormones, digestive organs with a high sensitivity to pain, an unusual response to infection, a malfunction in the muscles that move food through the body, an inability of the central nervous system to control the digestive system. A person's mental and emotional state can contribute to IBS development. People with post-traumatic stress disorder or PTSD have a higher risk of developing IBS. Hormonal changes can make symptoms worse. For example, symptoms are often more severe in women around the time of menstruation. Infections such as gastroenteritis can trigger post-infectious IBS. Is it curable? There is no cure for IBS. However, if a person with IBS avoids triggers, makes dietary adjustments, and follows their doctor's advice, they can significantly reduce the risk of flares and discomfort. As the causes of IBS are uncertain, treatment options for IBS aim to relieve symptoms and improve quality of life. Diagnosis. No specific imaging or laboratory test can support an IBS diagnosis. Diagnosis involves ruling out conditions that produce symptoms similar to IBS and following a procedure to categorize the symptoms. There are three main types of IBS. IBS with constipation or IBS-C. A person experiences stomach pain, discomfort, bloating, infrequent or delayed bowel movements, or hard or lumpy stools. IBS with diarrhea or IBS-D. There is stomach pain, discomfort, and urgent need to go to the toilet. Very frequent bowel movements or watery or loose stools. IBS with alternating stool pattern or IBS-A. A person experiences both constipation and diarrhea. Many people experience different types of IBS over time. The doctor can often diagnose IBS by asking about symptoms. For example, have there been any changes in bowel habits such as diarrhea or constipation? Is there any pain or discomfort in the abdomen? How often does a person feel bloated? A blood test may help rule out other possible conditions, including lactose intolerance, small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, celiac disease. If specific signs or symptoms suggest a different condition, further testing may be necessary. This include anemia, localized swelling in the rectum and abdomen, unexplained weight loss, abdominal pain at night, progressively worsening symptoms, significant amounts of blood in the stool, family history of inflammatory bowel disease or IBD, colorectal cancer or celiac disease. People with a history of ovarian cancer may require further testing, as might individuals over the age of 60 years with changing bowel habits. This could suggest a risk of bowel cancer. Factors. A 2019 review of 38 studies found that the following characteristics and conditions may increase the risk of IBS. Gastroenteritis, being a younger or older adult, a history of anxiety or depression, stress, overusing health care, a family history of IBS, pain, sleep disorders. Research into IBS is ongoing to develop improved preventive measures and new treatments. For now, being mindful of diet and stress are the best steps for avoiding flares of discomfort.